To enjoy the convenience of connected features with your Ford vehicle, like Wi-Fi hotspot, remote start, remote lock and unlock, and much more, you need to fully activate the FordPass Connect modem and the FordPass app. Until you pair your phone with your vehicle and you fully authorize your modem, you'll see this pop up on your vehicle's touchscreen. This icon shows you that data is being shared with Ford. Shared data includes things like vehicle mileage for maintenance reminders, oil life, fuel level, and more. After you've paired your phone and downloaded the FordPass app and set it up, press Activate Vehicle on your phone. You'll see this screen in your vehicle. You can press the Info button for more details, then choose Yes. This icon indicates that data is being shared and also that your location is being shared. Next, on your vehicle's touchscreen, go to Settings, then press FordPass Connect. Press Connectivity Settings, and you'll see that vehicle connectivity, location, and vehicle data and remote control are turned on. You can press these Info buttons for more details. Of course, all of these things can be disabled, but you will miss the benefits and convenience of maintenance reminders, remote vehicle start, lock and unlock through FordPass app, and so much more. Any questions? Go to Ford.com/support.